You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. I said correctly, even though there are different correct pronunciations in English. So let's go through. By the way, if you want to learn more vocabulary, more pronunciations that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Winter is the British English pronunciation, and it's kind of the basic standard English. Winter, winter. Now, some may pronounce the R a bit more than it's done in the UK and say winter. Okay, winter. That would be the American English pronunciation if you pronounce the T correctly. Now, in the US, it's also very commonly pronounced as winner, winner. Just like a winner, you know, somebody who wins. And in this case, you kind of include the T inside the N, winner, all right? So the Americans very often pronounce it this way. Now, certain parts of Britain, they also remove the T, and it's pronounced winner. No, winner is how it's sometimes also pronounced. But the basic pronunciation in English is how to pronounce English pronunciation, winter. Did you get this? Can you hear the differences? How do you pronounce it? Let me know in the comments. Winter, 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 winter. Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.